On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Karen Locasal, and I'm here to tell you about Gourd Art. Gourd masks. Okay, at this point we have the gourd design burned in, and then we've decided whether or not we want to have our eyes painted or cut out. So at this point we can color our gourd the way we would like to do it, using acrylic paints, permanent markers, paint pens, leather dyes, wood dyes. Possibilities are endless out there, whatever works for you, whatever you're more comfortable with working with. As you can tell on this one, I have actually colored the eyes in with acrylic paint. I did not cut them out. On my larger mask here, you will see that I actually did cut the eyes out. So kind of gives you two different looks there. Kind of can also depend on the size of your mask as well, and how good you are at cutting it, whether or not that's an option for you. So both of these do have the bamboo in there for their mouths. So they're both now colored, and we can spray it at this point as well with a nice acrylic spray to seal them, and before we add in the feathers, because once the feathers are on there, you're not going to want to have any of that spray on there. So now's the time before you add them to actually put your sealant on there for your coloring.